Amouris. Hi. Hey, Bookie Dee. Wake up. Wake up, you schnauzer. Wake up, you schnauzer. Wake up. Everybody see your face. Aw, that's so sweet. Look at that little booger. Her so sweet. All her do is sleep. You sleep and eat. Man, some people got it good. Look at that. Too lazy to really look. How do you feel? You ought to be ashamed, little puppy dog you. Look at you. Oh, you little sweetie poo-poo. Little bundle of stink. You little stink ball? Hi, stink ball. Amouris. This is Amouris. Look at that little tail. Look at mommy. Oh, you going out of the picture. Look at you. Laziest. Oh, Emma, mama. Get comfortable. Do what you do best. That is yarn. Look at you. Just yarn your little heart out. Yes, you will. Just yarn your little heart out. Yes. Yes, you do. Look at you. Taking a I should be taking a nap. I'm the one tired. Look at you. Just as spoiled as you can be. Not even thinking about me. Look at the chihuahua. Look how big that little behind is. I have to blame. I'm the blame for it. Look at you. Oh, you want me to go away, don't you? So you can take your 5th siesta. Am I aggravating you? Yep, it's nap time. Stop licking the butterflies. Look that ring. You want me to go away? Well, it may not happen.
And discernment. And the upright